Dear friends, my name is Tanvi and welcome to today's video tutorial. It is a humble request to all of you that please subscribe our channel so that all the important upcoming information can be easily reached to you. So let's start. Today's topic is, what is eOffice and why is it necessary? eOffice is a software developed by National Informatics Centre, Delhi, whose objective is very simple. If you are in your office right now, take a look around you, you will be able to see that files, letters and other documents are scattered all over in large numbers. Some of them are necessary, some are unnecessary. Necessary and unnecessary files are kept in such a way that, if you want to do an important letter-related work, then perhaps finding it will become a headache for you. This is just a problem. Apart from this, it is a very easy way to get rid of the problems of maintenance of files, fire, etc. eOffice was started in the year 2008 as a mission mode project. Today, it is being run in various states of the country as part of the Digital India campaign of the Government of India. Let's have a look at other benefits of eOffice. On an average, a document is photocopied 19 times, which is not in the interest of the environment. On our hand, there is no need to photocopy any document in eOffice. If the figures of the statistics department are to be believed, paper files double every 3.5 years and paper use grows 22% a year, which is a very serious issue from the point of view of maintenance. Talking about eOffice, it is a web-based, internet-based software in which it is very easy and safe to keep paper files in digital form. It is also observed that the average search time for a document is 18 minutes, and some are never found at all. While finding a document in eOffice is so easy that you can find it in just a few seconds, another big problem is that almost half of the office time is spent in handling paper/data entry. And 80% of today's information is paper-based, and you will be surprised to know that only 12,500 sheets of paper can be made from a single tree. How important was oxygen in this pandemic of COVID? Who would know this better than you? So you are kindly requested to use eOffice for your daily office work and play an important role in saving the country and the environment. Thanks. See you in the next video.